Hello, today we're gonna discuss narrative tenses in the English language. Well, let me change the slide. Okay, there are four narrative tenses in the English language. Past simple, I did something. Past continuous, I was doing something. Past perfect, I had done something before I did something else. Past perfect continuous, I had been doing something already 30 minutes. Okay, what do we use the narrative tenses for? What are their functions? So we use them to talk about the past, to tell a story, to describe past events, to tell anecdotes even. For example, I came, I saw, I conquered. Masha was walking in the forest when she met a wolf. I entered the lobby and remembered that I had left my keys in the office. When the waiter brought my dish, I had already been waiting for it for 40 minutes. Well, we use the past simple tense for the main events in the story, which go one by one even. I wanted to drink. I drank 2 bottles of water. Then my friend offered me a cup of tea, and I didn't refuse. We use the past continuous tense for the background events, for the longer actions which were interrupted by a shorter event. We were watching TV when the telephone rang, so this event interrupted the previous one when we were watching TV. The bird was singing, the sun was shining, the wind was blowing from the bank of the river. So these are all the background events. Yeah, we use past perfect for events that happened before one of the main events or that happened before the time of the story. We arrived at the airport and realized that we had left Kevin at home. He had stayed alone twice before. Yeah, past perfect continuous tense. When she came, I had already been waiting for 4 hours. Yeah, so the most complicated thing in the narratives is that we should understand the way and the order the events happened or even started. For example, let us do exercise 1. Jenny and I started our website in order to market the clothes we had designed while we were studying together at university. So we have a hint that the first thing that happened, it was C. We were studying together at university. Then, what comes first? Jenny and I started our website in order to market, or the clothes we had designed while. Of course, we designed clothes first. Then we started our website because we had designed clothes before. So the correct answer is C, B, A. Right? Same exercise, but a little bit different in its way. So we were walking. I walked about 2 kilometers before we were realizing that we left the map behind. So let us choose the correct answers. We'd walked about 2 kilometers. It's like we already did in the past. Before we realized that we had left the map behind. We left the map behind. Okay, this one you can do on your own. Then, to provide you with more practice, you should translate the text and use all of the above mentioned tenses. So here's the example. I had a bad day yesterday. I didn't hear the alarm in the morning, so at 9 o'clock I was still lying in my bed and sleeping, and etc. Yeah, there are some links. You can watch cartoons without sound and produce a story of the actions you just have watched in the videos. Thank you very much.